Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the edge closely. Trim ragged yarns so you have a clean working line, and vacuum to remove grit. Once done, measure the chewed length and how much backing shows so you choose the right patch size. Make sure to gather seam tape, scissors, a seam roller, contact adhesive, and a matching spare carpet or scrap. You're acting now to stabilize the area. This prevents more unraveling and sets you up for a neat repair. Now cut a patch from spare carpet that's slightly larger than the damage, and align the pile direction so light reflects correctly. Once aligned, slide seam tape beneath the lifted edge and under the patch. If tape requires heat, apply a hot iron briefly with a towel between. Press the patch down, apply contact adhesive to exposed backing edges if needed, and use a seam roller to press seams tight. This creates a flush join and hides the repair in the pile. Finish by trimming any excess and brushing the fibers so they blend with the surrounding carpet. This evens the appearance immediately. Once done, weight the area with boards or heavy boxes for 12 to 24 hours to ensure adhesive cures and the seam sets. If you notice lifting later, don't panic. Reapply a thin bead of contact glue under the seam or drive a few discrete carpet staples into the backing beneath the edge to secure it, then repeat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.